What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about the market cap sitting at a $432 billion. And it's kind of just staying steady, which I really like to see. You guys know I like to see it moving sideways as well as up. Always want it to go up, but sideways isn't necessarily bad. Stabilization is always key when it comes to a healthy market. So it's whenever we're seeing the volatility going straight down and then back up and then straight down and then straight up, and that's the volatility you don't necessarily want to see all the time. Sometimes you want to just see your graph moving sideways. And while this is only for a few days, I'm hoping to see that we stay around here for the next couple, maybe even for the next week, and just see some real stabilization as people are putting more USD into this and just kind of getting into positions where they want. And as this becomes more widespread and the adoption rate from around the world gets higher, I think we're going to see this market cap rise again. A bull market possibly coming soon. But we do all need to be prepared for a bear market as well, just in case. You want to hope for the best in that it'll be a bull market, but you also need to prepare for the worst, that it'll be a bear market. So don't bet the house. Don't put all of your money in there. I'm always pushing, saying get as much USD as you can, because this is the time we're in early, guys. We really are. This is the golden age, guys. We are in the gold rush right now. We're the first people paying in for gold. But just in case that we can't get this gold out for another 6 months, I don't want you to put your rent into it, putting all your money from rent into it and expecting to be able to pull it out by the end of the month whenever you need to pay it, and then half your portfolio is down. There's nothing you can promise from there. So only put in what you can invest, guys. Just money that you have laying around, money, change you have in your jars. I mean, you see a quarter on the ground. I just look at a quarter, I'm like, I can get like 5 Tron with that. Like 5 whole Tron. And that's a dumb example, but even a change jar can help out, guys. So just invest what you can, and then while we're in this down market still from this correction, just continue to be building up your portfolio and adding to it more and more and more. Just don't bet the house. I think if we see this market cap drop below $350 billion again, I think that will be an indicator that we will be starting to hit a bear market. But I think if we get above $550 billion and at least stabilize there or keep going up from there, I don't think we're going to revisit these lows again, at least not for a long time. Hopefully ever. But I think if we get up above $550 billion, I think we're kind of out of the woods and in the clear, and we will be seeing a bull market soon. As to when that will happen, no one knows. I'm thinking that it'll be somewhere around mid-March, maybe end of March, hopefully. I'd love for it to be any time before then, but if not, I'm chill, guys. I'm just like sitting here watching my accounts and stuff. Every once in a while I check in on it, see my balance. It's nothing crazy. I'm still in the profit. I hope all of you are still in the profit. I know a lot of you aren't. That's not a big deal. Remember, you cannot lose money until you sell at a loss. So just hold it until it's green, okay? That's all you have to worry about, because the market will bounce back. Do not take losses on anything right now. But that's just kind of my friendly advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. I just want to help you guys out. I like putting content out to y'all and talking to you in the comments and seeing how y'all feel about crypto and where it's going in the market, and just experiencing all this with you. And I can't wait until later in life, whenever I have kids, and I'll be like, yes, son, I remember when they first invented the Bitcoin, starting investing into it, and that's how we bought this here mansion that we live in. I can't wait till the day I can tell them, hey, the reason we're able to do the things we do, son, the reason we have the businesses we do and we are so successful and I can put food on your plate every day and a roof over your head, is because I invested early into cryptocurrencies and saw an opportunity and I took it. And then I tried to help as many people as I possibly could by making videos for them on YouTube and helping them keep up with crypto. As usual, guys, I'm going to cut it off there. Like, comment, subscribe. smash that subscribe button real hard. Share with your friends, you know. Hit that bell icon to make sure that you get updated whenever we make a video. I make at least one video a day. Sean will be making videos every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you're looking for Sean and you're a big Sean fan, go check him out. So every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, sometime in that day he will post. I will possibly post it on those days too, so you may get 2 videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if anything big happens, I'll make sure to get out as fast as possible. But guaranteed, we're going to have a video out every single day. Just to, you know, make sure that you're keeping up with crypto. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.